Just gotta look for our channel.
I see it already.
Huh?
I see it already.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. There we are. Hello there. Oh, where do we end up?
Vegas, baby!
In a limo.
Alright. Welcome to Las Vegas. Thank you for your business. I hope you have a great time. And as I always said, let's get in trouble. Yeah!
First cheers in Vegas. It's before 9 a.m., but whatever.
Ready to party!
Well, surprise, we're in Vegas, and we had a limo, and we drank a bottle of champagne.
I'm feeling it.
And drink service has been good at the slots at the Flamingo.
Yeah, it sure has. I feel like it's something contrary to the last time we were here.
And it's before noon, and we need to eat.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get some hot dogs at the good old stage door.
Get some Budweiser and some hot dogs.
Yes.
Maybe some fireballs.
No.
Could be, maybe.
No.
It's our anniversary. You gotta get some
Tomorrow's
fireballs.
our anniversary.
We got a pregame.
We're pre-gaming enough for dinner tomorrow.
How's that glizzy?
Very glizzy.
We're at the stage door eating our glizzies, eating our hot dogs. It's good for $2. corn dip with some blue corn chips. Looks very cheesy.
That's what she said? All right. I'm just kidding.
Oh.
I was going to do one of those stupid-ass TV personality voices. All right, let's try this street corn dip. It smells really good. Okay. I would do a little bit less cheese, a little bit more corn. There's a tiny bit of a kick to it. It hits you in the back of the throat, but it is delicious. I would 10 out of 10 get it again.
First, we gotta try a chip. A very good chip. It's really good. It's light, but it has like a little kick to it. Really good. I do recommend it, Gordon Ramsay.
You fucking donut.
All right, so this is the brunch burger with seasoned tots. It looks good.
And I got the idiot burger with a side of spiced tomato chutney and hand-dipped onion rings.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Really good.
So we got heirloom tomatoes, 2 different types of cheese, and a mushroom, sauteed mushrooms. I didn't put the chutney on because I don't know if I want to do spicy right now. It's a good burger. 10 out of 10. It's good.
It is 6 o'clock at night, but I'm gonna have a brunch burger. It's very good. It's got egg and bacon and hash brown.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
Let's see how Gordon Ramsay's burger is. Well, the bacon was a little hard to bite, but the flavor is wonderful. Very good. It looks like I barely ate, but I ate it and I give it my best shot. That is all that I can eat. Thank goodness for a refrigerator in the room. To Gordon Ramsay Burger at the Flamingo Vegas for the first time and took a lot of leftovers home because there was a lot of food.
Those big portions.
But it was really good, so good job, Gordon Ramsay.
Bloody hell.
You're not an idiot sandwich.
You're not an idiot sandwich.